So what we will do here is we will install our Jupyter notebook, that is Anaconda, because we need the Conda environment as we will be creating machine learning algorithm here. We will also create API keys because, as I discussed yesterday, we will integrate into IT operations activity or the data we will utilize in the IT operations for with the AI part. That AI include two things. One is machine learning algorithms and the other one is GenAI stuff. Okay. For that, we will do our setup of the environment. Let us first give for the installation of Anaconda. Okay. Yeah, copy this link, paste it, and keep it for download. It is a 912 MB. It will take little time. While it is downloading, we'll do other stuff. So if you go here, if you scroll down, so you will get Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay. So for Windows, you will get one single 64-bit 912 MB installer, 3.12. Yeah, you have to just download that for Windows people. For Mac people, okay, just download the Mac, yes, and you can download from Silicon and stuff like that. Okay. Yeah, install on this computer. Nowadays, across, so there are many variations coming up. There is ML ops, there is AI ops, there is DevOps. Okay, these three operations are there, right? Generally, DevOps, ML ops, AI ops, right? I'm keeping generative AI, agentic AI, that domain totally out, separate. Okay. Now, DevOps, what is their role? You are a DevOps, you know, your deployment, pipeline creation, software engineering cycle, that part across multiple applications. It can be in Java, .NET, machine learning application, and stuff like that, where your primary role is to orchestrate the CI/CD pipelines, right? Now, MLOps. MLOps are specialized and slightly different because there is a continuous training part which is there. Apart from CI/CD pipeline, you should deploy the training cycle also. What training? Machine learning model training. That is train in production. So since that part is different, and an additional one, since you need to know the knowledge of little bit of knowledge of the data science model cycles, data science cycles and stuff like that, which is different from the software cycle. That's why the skill is separate. That skill, you need people who have that skill. That's why the terminology ML ops. Now, AI ops. AI ops is, we know IT operations. That means in our infra team, whatever the role, whatever the job they do, patching activity, checking your server usage, spikes, security, Trojan attacks. This is part of our, generally in our every organization, we say they are the infra team, right? Now the infra team, if the infra team have the knowledge of AI, when I say AI in two part. One is the generative AI plus the machine learning predictive model part. If they have the knowledge of these two, how this AI will help our infra team to take this knowledge, and that if I enable those infra team with this knowledge, what will happen? This will enhance proactive measuring. Currently, our infra team is a more of a reactive measuring, right? They keep on monitoring in Grafana dashboards and all. Okay, there is a spike. Proactive, I mean reactive. Once it has happened, they're trying to find out the RCA. Now what has happened in the current scenario, what will happen? They put up some threshold, and with the threshold, it is a email is set up, right? Whenever there is a spike in the usage in the RAM or in your CPU and all, email is triggered and they call up and tell, oh boss, your server is going to go down. Now just imagine if they have the AI knowledge and they are able to create this machine learning model where the model will in advance tell you when is your maintenance, when the server is going down, what is the current condition, what is the trend, the probability of having a high spike. This is more of a proactive. So what it will, with this skill set of creating use of this data, right? They most of the nowadays the IT operation team does an post facto analysis, right? They have the huge log analysis. Now this log analysis is a very manual and boring thing. Now just imagine if I have a GenAI application, we have a generative AI, right? Where you just we can if we just upload our log and ask them please do the analysis and find out any pattern, any warning, error or stuff. Just imagine how the life become easier and much accurate rather than human interpretable error chance which is there. It will be much more accurate and precise and concise. And why not? When you have a technology like AI, which is both GenAI, which will do your log analysis, your other what's of raw data which is come up for this, use this, upskill yourself with this AI knowledge, and that's what this course is all about, to upskill you with this AI knowledge. And AI both way. One is your data science, machine learning, deep learning, model creation knowledge. And again, the other part is that's why we will have supposed to create the APIs, okay? And the OpenAI LLM model knowledge. If I have that and I know how to utilize my this data, IT operational data, and make this create this application through Pythonic coding, if I am able to do that, what will happen? Now my IT infra team have upskilled themselves to become more of a proactive monitors, and my obviously my servers, my maintenance, my overall infra will become much more better compared to current reactive mode of working. I hope I'm able to make you understand in a very high level. Obviously for that this course is all about, which we will learn step by step how to upskill on our AI part, how the operational part we know, right? How to utilize those data, how to gain this AI knowledge, both in machine learning and GenAI, so that now you can utilize this, consume those data, and become an AI operational staff. That's why it is AI ops. Okay, AI in IT operations. Anybody who has downloaded the Anaconda and not yet installed? Yes. Click on next. Please check the steps, although it is all recorded, but just follow the step. Whoever not downloaded, once it is downloaded, slowly, I agree. There is one configuration I want to do it so that we do not have to waste time later on doing that manually. Also, we can make that configuration, but yeah, click on next. Next, this is the default path, which is fine. This here, see, add Anaconda to my path environment variable. Okay, just click on that. Yes, this is the thing which you have to do. This is the only thing which you have to do. That is the reason I was just chasing around. Yes, so that if you have missed it, don't worry. You have to do manually. That I will show you later on when we are doing the project, because if you missed it from the Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, if you execute the conda command, it will say command does not exist. So this is the reason then you have to give that path into the environment variable. Okay, so click on this and just click on install. Okay, let's move ahead. So install git bash. Okay, download in the Google Chrome and just download it. Okay,
Git bash, right?
git bash download. Yeah, this is the first link. Click on this. See, download for Windows 2.49.0. Yeah,
Is it?
the blue color screen you're able to see
Yeah, yeah.
2.49.0. Yeah, just download it. Okay, it will come to the same page. Just click on the second link, Git for Windows ARM64. Yeah, it will get installed. Done. Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, any IDE will work. I prefer Visual Studio Code, but anybody already has PyCharm or Visual Studio Code installed, that
I
is
do.
fine.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, click on this and click next, next, next and install.
Sure.
Okay. Apart from that, if you have your PyCharm or Visual Studio Code, that is good enough. Okay.
Yeah, we do have.
So
Yeah.
this is all we need for our machine learning part. Now let us move into our GenAI part, where I need to create those APIs. Okay. First, everybody create a notepad and name the notepad as API keys or GenAI API keys. Everybody, please open a notepad. Save the notepad name as GenAI API Keys. Everybody, please do this as a best practice. Okay. Now, here we will save all our API keys once we generate. Let me share you the first link. This is for our OpenAI. Okay, just log in with your, I think you already have a ChatGPT account. So log in with that email ID password. Click on the generate API key, the black color button, generate API key. Perfect. Copy the key and paste it in your notepad and name it as OpenAI API key. Keep it safe with you, using it in our application multiple times. Okay. No, just the API key you have to save, not the curl and stuff. It will start with SK. Why you are getting the entire stuff? Just keep this SK part. SK proc till ZH4A. Rest of the thing you can ignore. Now let us create Google API key. This is for your Gemini models. Okay. So this is the link. Copy on this link and go to this link. Make a suite developer link. Generate the key and name people who are able to generate it. Make it as Google AI API key generated.
This is the key, right, for Gemini API?
No, create API key. Click on create API key. Copy the key, paste it in a notepad. Perfect. This is make it as Google API key. This is for your Gemini model.
Okay.
When we will be using Gemini model, you will use this key. Okay, perfect. So we are done with OpenAI. We are done with Gemini. Now the next one, what we will create. Now we will use Serve API key. This key is important. This is your Google searching key. Okay. You might have heard of the term agentic AI. Generally, when we create agentic AI, we use this API key for Google searching. Okay. Click on this because it's related to the Google. That's why you're getting this. Yeah, you have to subscribe. Click on subscribe. Click on subscribe in the left hand side. Yes. You have to verify your email and your phone number. Okay. Click on subscribe. It's a free plan, so don't worry. Just verify your email and your phone number. Give your verification code, verify your phone number also.
This is the private key?
Yes, copy this key, save it. This is your Search API key. The name is Search, but basically it is a Google Search API key. So when you will have applications which will have agentic AI stuff, then and you want to use Google as search as part of your application, then you use this API key. You will see that in our course. I mean, just a very high level why we are using it. Okay. Another last and important one which we will do is the Hugging Face. Okay, sorry. We have LangChain and Hugging Face. So both we have to do. Hugging Face, let's go to this. We'll create read token and write token. So go to this link.
This one just is that. Okay, this Google only, right?
You have not verified your phone number or email. Otherwise, this create new token would have been enabled.
1 minute. I will check for the reconfirmation.
Now go back there. That create token will be enabled. Refresh it.
What?
Arika, you have not confirmed either.
I confirmed it just now. I confirmed it. And I did.
Mobile number have you confirmed?
It didn't ask me for the mobile number.
You have to give the mobile number, no? It was there, no? You have to give in the country code and mobile number.
That's only for Serpent. For Hugging Face,
Yeah.
I did not ask.
Ask for mobile number, right?
You didn't ask for mobile number.
No.
Yeah, Satish. Yes. Click on create new token, right hand corner. Yeah. Now you see, wait, don't do anything. See, fine grained, read and write. Click on read. Okay. And write read token. Give the name as read token. And copy this, save it. Right? Hugging face, read token. Similarly, go back. Now click on the right. And then write token. Perfect. Save it.
Yeah, done.